What's going on, Internet? It is Zach again, back here with Wrecker Central, giving you today's shop update. So, happy Thursday. We have 9 million things going on. The guys are out in the shop right now working on a bunch of different stuff. We're doing frames. We just finished up some tubes. So, let's go take a look out there, see what they got going on. All right, come with me. All right, Calvin, what do you got going on today?
I just finished putting bushings on for the main bar.
Okay, so this is where the arms are going to attach, where they like flip out. And this is the wheel's going to sit right here.
Yep.
And then the arms flip up and come out this way to grab the back of the wheel.
Yep.
All right, so cool. So basically, you just kind of square that up on there, put that on.
Tack it, and then weld it.
Yep, and then so this for the viewers is will be one of our grease points, because this is gonna pivot around inside of there. So we're gonna have a zerk fitting on there, so that way you guys gotta make sure that that stays greased. That's part of your warranty. So,
yeah.
Cool. All right, well, I'm gonna let you get finished. I know you gotta put the pin in and do all that stuff. So I'm gonna let you go do that. I'm gonna go talk to Jeff. All right, Jeff, what are you working on?
Well, right now I'm taking off the bracing for a heavy frame and a light frame.
This is the light frame you were building yesterday?
Yesterday,
Okay.
we started building that. It's complete. Taking off the bracing, clean up all the tacks.
All right.
This I'm taking off the bracing, gonna clean up all the tacks for the bracing that we used to weld it everything
Make sure it stays square and straight.
Square and straight. I'll check it. If need be, I'll fix whatever needs fixed. I have to put in 2 pieces of tubing that actually are the female end that slides on top of this.
Okay.
So that these pieces made up.
Okay, cool. All right, well, I'm gonna go check in with Dan, see what he's up to. I'll let you get back to work.
Oh, yeah.
All right, Dan, what are you working on over here?
Building the world's best wheel lifts, of course. That's all we build.
That's right, top flight security of the world.
That's right.
We top flight security of the world, Craig. Shit, not just the city, the world.
These are the wing plates we use for the heads. Built out of 1/2-inch material. Of course, we got them stacked, so when we drill them, they're going to be exacting once they're done being drilled. Then we'll go over there and fit them up with our main heads, which are 82 inches wide. The biggest in the industry, so nobody even comes close. Some of the other stuff I've seen in the industry right now, they're using 3/8 plates, and then they top it with a 3/16 plate to make up the difference. We screw that. We just start with badass big stuff right from the beginning. So 1/2-inch plates all the way through, no bull crap, no junk, no bending, none of that crap. So got the best in the world. That's what we do. It's the only way we're gonna do it.
Dan, you look hot. It's hot out here.
It's like 100 degrees, and I think the shop is showing 120. So yeah, it's hot. But we got orders, so we're gonna work through it, and whoever falls over first gets to go home first. So.
Oh, right on.
All right.
I'm totally kidding. I didn't fall over. But all right, I'll let you get back to this and doing your thing. I'm gonna go sit in the air conditioning.
All right.
Where the cool guys sit.